Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, hey, welcome back in. Kind of a wild week ahead here as we've got 2 more warm days in the forecast, keeping that nice spring-like feel around. But some scattered showers and thunderstorms are going to roam the area as we go into these warmer days, the next 2 or so. By Wednesday, we're talking about the opportunity for some severe weather as a cold front rolls through town, and that is going to push us back towards some cooler weather the second half of the week. We've got some pretty big temperature swings coming our way here over the course of the next 7 to 10 days. You wouldn't want to talk about next Monday. Well, I'll show you what it looks like in a second, but we had 70 degrees out there today. It's going to look much different within a week. 76 with the high temperature in London. Everybody feeling nice and warm, better than where we were yesterday. Part of some of those swings here. Now you look at Tuesday and Wednesday, we're going to be a good 20 degrees above average before the cold front knocks us all the way down with high temperatures in the 40s, lows in the 30s by Thursday. We recover quickly. Another warm front through the weekend to push us 60, almost 70 by Sunday, but another cold front. This one doing even more damage, knocking us all the way into the 30s and likely holding us close to it as we go into Monday afternoon. Now, before we get down too far down the line, rain chances really pick up for us tomorrow morning. We've got an opportunity for some. Wednesday is really our big day. A few could linger into early Thursday, and then the rest of the week is going to likely be dry for us. What we're going to be watching for our setup now is a couple of showers and storms to develop kind of on the outflow of these showers in southern Tennessee right now. As this warm front continues to stretch across the region, the warm air flows underneath. But we'll be watching the low and the cold front to swing through, and once those do, we're talking by Wednesday, the chance for some severe storms. Now, our severe weather outlook for tomorrow, it's actually a 24-hour outlook. It goes from 8 a.m. Tuesday to 8 a.m. Wednesday. So this one is going to likely cover, here in Kentucky anyway, the opportunity for some stronger storms closer to that 8 a.m. Wednesday. It's a level 1 risk right now, marginal, low-end stuff. What we really need to keep a closer eye on is what's going to come Wednesday evening. This one is going to be the main event for us, if you will, on Wednesday. A level 2 out of 5 risk for scattered storms along a line that could bring hail, wind, possibly a brief isolated spin-up tornado within the line of storms as it rolls through. So let's talk about general timing here as we roll into tomorrow morning. Scattered activity, pretty hit or miss in this department for us as we wake up tomorrow morning. Heaviest does look like it would roll across southern Kentucky. And then we could get little pop-ups here or there throughout the afternoon as that warmer air pushes up from the south. As we get closer to the cold front, we're going to start to see, and here it is, Wednesday morning. These are the opportunities for maybe a couple of low-end severe storms early in the day. The rest is really going to come along this line here Wednesday evening, and that's going to be the main focus as we go into Wednesday night. 5, 6, 7 o'clock is kind of the time frame for it to start to push into central Kentucky and slowly, or possibly even quickly, move its way to the southeast, depending upon how the mid and upper level winds push this system as it comes through. So talking about mainly Wednesday evening, say 5 p.m. to midnight is going to be our best opportunity to see those scattered storms come through, and a few are going to try to linger in southeastern Kentucky. On the other side of that, it's a chilly Thursday. Breezy winds from the north knock us down to 49. We do get some 60s again, but look at Monday. Snow showers are in the forecast. We'll have more on that as the week rolls on.